What's up, bro? Come on, welcome. I'm gonna show you your unit, man. Let's go here. This is like kind of like a penthouse. Welcome to 30 East 31st, bro. This is a newly built condo. Look at this elevator.
Yeah, these are the biggest elevators I've seen in the city so far.
Yeah.
It's huge.
Get the mirror, give you that illusion. You have your own floor in this building. So you walk out, this is your unit. So nobody come up here except for you, man. Welcome to your living room.
That's dope. Wait, how big is this then?
This one is around I would say 1,600 actually, 1,600 square foot.
Damn.
Is the whole floor. 2 bedroom, 2.5 bathroom. But look at the scenic.
This is so nice.
This lounging area, hey, you can play whatever you want to play here. What do you think? Yeah,
It's so nice.
The view is phenomenal. You got the Chrysler Tower there, you got the Summit over there, and then you got right close by, right here. Look, I love to do this part right here. Like, hey, come. Look at that. That's the
awesome.
Empire State Building. You're like their neighbors, man.
That's awesome.
Yeah, how's that look like?
How much is this place?
This one is asking for only 3.15.
Only 3.15.
You like to, you know? And look, this is your open kitchen as well. Running
Nice.
throughout. So you have your whole walnuts style. Everything is smooth and built in, even your refrigerator. Funny thing, look at this. The garbage over here is like you press whatever you want and then you open it and then you drop it and that's it.
Oh, nice.
See, you don't have to worry about taking out the garbage anymore. But welcome to your bedroom. Here's your office space. It could be a bedroom if you wanted to. This is the first one.
My music studio.
Yes, this could be it. And then you walk in here, here's your bathroom. Look
Oh
at it.
shit.
You like this view?
This is nice.
Yeah, man. Look at that view. Every time you take a little poopy poopy, look. Oh my goodness, huh? But yeah, man. But it is a phenomenal unit. You have the whole floor.
Yeah, that's
37.
nice.
So here's another half bathroom here.
Nice.
Yeah, that's a half bath. And then you go into your primary bedroom right here. Waking up to this view. Oh.
Yeah, that's nice. Oh, that's the one trade over there.
Yes.
I'm actually afraid of heights. But
Really?
Yeah.
Are you? No way. Come on, man. You live in New York City. You're afraid of heights. Come on, you gotta get used to it. But you walk in here, this is your walk-in closet and a bathroom as well. Washer and dryer, stacked, and here's your bathroom.
Damn. Nice.
Double sink vanity, separate toilet, and shower.
That's awesome.
I know,
It's
huh?
a sick place.
And it's all heated floor as well.
Oh
Wintertime,
shit. Nice.
Yeah, don't have to worry about getting cold feet, they would say. All right, so today we're gonna do some little podcast with you.
All right.
Oh man, I'm excited. Yo, man, today I got a special guest right here. Yet he's a special violinist. He started out on a street, to acknowledge. I mean, how's that going so far?
Well, we'll see. I mean, it only takes one TikToker to post it and then it goes viral. With these videos, you never know the algorithm, so it just takes one person.
Maybe this one with
Yeah.
But why do you want to collaborate with that guy?
I don't know. I feel like my music and his music are very similar, and like his music he's the godfather of EDM, and I do EDM, and I think we're gonna make an amazing song.
That is true. I mean, you play amazing, and super hype music. On the fucking street.
Damn, and they say Asians can't drive. Look at that.
Yo, man, look at that, huh? Oh shoot, look right on the street walk right there, man.
So people get the joke, so they can get an idea how perfect you fit. That's a good ass parking.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Shoot, there's another park that just came out.
Yeah, I know. I just saw all that work for what?
I know all that work. Oh my god, that's all good. Look at me, huh?
All right, stereotypes out. Asians do know how to drive and park.
The right Asian.
So where are we going now?
We're going to RH Restaurant. It's a rooftop restaurant, and it's a furniture place.
Really?
You'd be surprised, yeah.
Okay.
It's right over here at Meatpacking District.
All All right, we're gonna go eat here at the meatpacking. Let's check it out.
Yeah.
You're right. It is a furniture store.
Yeah. But you're surprised. Look at this. It's like speakeasy.
Ah.
Let me show you the couch I want.
Was not expecting this today.
Oh, come on, yeah. Come here and shop your furniture. It's 25% off. If you're a member.
I really wanted to steal more shit, but Ed was looking. I took the laptop stand because Brian always takes mine.
Good.
Nice.
Why did he take the keyboard? But what do I do?
Oh, shit.
It's okay. The keyboard sucks.
It does suck.
It's a little bit tighter.
I don't know. I guess there's nothing else to take at that point. It's just office supplies and snacks.
Here we are. Oh, Joe.
How are you? Yeah.
This is one of my musician
Hey,
friends.
yep.
Yep,
Nice to meet you,
over
man.
here. Jung is an international star. Welcome to New York. Welcome, yeah.
Some, thank you.
Have a seat. Jung, where you like sit? Ngồi bên trong, ngồi bên ngoài. Ngồi đâu? Ngồi đó đi. Ngồi bên đây cho. Be right here. Service you guys over here. Yeah, this funny thing is he's half Colombia and half Chinese, so it's a pretty cool mixture.
Oh, so he speaks 3 languages.
Yeah, 3 languages: English, Chinese, and picking up Chinese though.
I'm picking up Chinese, yeah.
And yep, he understands, man. Look, the guy grinding since he was like teenager, man. You know, amazing. You know, to get where he's at right now.
Yeah.
You know, I remember. You know, when he still lived in Bay Ridge.
Bay Ridge?
Coming to my restaurant. All right, yeah.
Okay.
Right.
Your girl's almost here?
It's okay. Don't worry. Yeah, we start without her. Chip it. Oh, look at that. Oh, then you put it on here like this. You know? And then you're gonna take some of this. I'm gonna make one for Jung, okay? Chắc cái này nữa em hiểu. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Cut this out. Look at that. Put that on. And then put this jam on. Oh yeah.
Oh man, it's a luxury bread. Luxury bread.
Yeah.
Made by Brian.
Yeah, this one looks good.
Look. This is the cheese. Look at this thing oozing out. Oh, look at that cheese.
This cheese any good?
You gotta eat that with the bread. Cut that over here. Cho ăn bánh mì nữa không? Lấy nào.
Yeah.
Nếu mà ăn bánh mì nữa, lấy bánh mì để lên. Yep, have some, man. Here you go. Here, try some.
Cute.
And have some bread. You want bread?
Yeah, I'll take the bread.
Yeah, you take some bread, take the bread. Bon appetit, guys. Enjoy. I'll cut that up. Cut this up too. Ooh, steak for lunch. Oh man, watch out this one. Jam broken. Alright, let me cut this up for you guys. I didn't use my knife yet, okay? And nighttime is nice too. They turn on the light, more dim. Pretty cool vibe. Go on a date or you go on a certain thing? Yeah.
I just saw your commercial for Starbucks.
Starbucks Double Shot Energy Drink. Folk.
I saw it somewhere.
Oh, everywhere.
Everywhere, right?
một cái giấy của Coke.
Đúng rồi.
Nice.
Đúng rồi, nếu mà nó có
When is
nó mà
that?
on a muscle á là
We shot it
nó phải
in
dạng.
Spain last
Ví dụ
April,
là anh xem
and it
quá
released
đáng
I
thì
think May.
mày có đồ
They
gì
have
không đó
tickets
là
for
nó
up to a
quá
year.
quá rồi. Tại vì nó đã báo cáo
One
ngày
year.
đó cho chị Hương rồi.
That's
Và
why
chị Hương mà
somewhere.
lấy đồ ra là nó đáng.
It's everywhere, literally everywhere. Yeah.
Oh wow. How can they find you?
Là cái đó là đưa lại cho chủ nhà.
You come to casting or they just invite, send you invitation?
Tại em bị mấy lần.
No, they sent me an Instagram. They sent me a message. They said they want me to be in the commercial.
Wow.
Cái eviction nó.
Because not everyone does what I do. I'm crazy.
Nếu như mà mình
No, everybody here is about making money.
making
No,
money
I
and being happy.
Yes, being happy. That's the most important thing.
Making money and being happy.
In a way, hanging out with me, I feel like I like to have fun. You know, money is money, but making money it is a priority. But try to learn and understand and have fun with the process.
Yeah.
I agree.
You know?